You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this French phrase. This is a greeting meaning good evening. So this is more when you leave people, when you greet people after while you're leaving them, okay? So you'd say good night or good evening, but after you leave them, not when you meet them in the evening, okay? That's how you use it. Bonne soirée. Bonne being French for good. Soirée is the evening, essentially. Bonne soirée. So when you leave people after dinner, for example, you say bonne soirée. Bonne soirée, you could say. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.